In the heart of ancient Greece, where the sun cast golden rays upon marble columns, the air buzzed with whispers of gods and heroes. The city of Athens stood tall, a beacon of wisdom and power, but shadows loomed over its splendor as rival city-states plotted in the darkness. Among these citizens was the brave warrior, Themistocles, a man driven by ambition and loyalty to the city. He foresaw a looming threat to the Persian Empire, a force of unimaginable power, ready to crush the Greek city-states underfoot. His vision was clear: unite the fragmented cities and face annihilation. As tensions escalated, alliances forged in the name of survival began to crack. Betrayal emerged from the wall, as jealous leaders sought to undermine Themistocles, interfering in his growing influence. The stakes rose higher. It was not just Athens' fate at risk, but the very essence. In a climactic battle at Salamis, where the seas churned with fury, Themistocles executed a cunning plan that would turn the tide. He led his fleet against the might of Persia, using the narrow straits to his advantage. Victory was snatched from the jaws of despair, proving the power of unity and strategy over brute force. From the ashes of conflict arose a lesson etched in history: unity in the face of adversity can forge empires. Themistocles, once a mere man, became a symbol of hope, reminding us that even the smallest voices can echo through time, shaping the destinies of civilizations.